Hey guys, if you use Apple, then know that now you can unlock your phone wearing your mask, and completely you can do it hands-free. This new feature comes with Apple's new software updates for iPhone. Now you can lock your phone, put on a mask, unlock your phone with a swipe up. As usual, आपका Apple phone instantly awake हो जाएगा, जैसे कि आप बिना मास्क के फोन खोल रहे हो। ना कोई पासकोड की ज़रूरत, ना मास्क को बार-बार पहनने की और उतारने की। ये सॉफ्टवेयर अपग्रेड iOS 14.5 जो है वो काम करेगा iPhone X और उसके बाद की सब डिवाइसेस पे जिनमें Face ID है। So here's how you can set it up. First things first, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings, then click on software updates and then get the recent one on your device. Once you have that software, then you follow these following steps. First, go to settings, then go to Face ID and Passcode. Tap on set up an alternative appearance. Then, if your iPhone says face obstructed because you're wearing a mask, you fold your mask into half, जिससे कि आधी साइड आपका फेस नजर आए और आधी साइड पे मास्क हो. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. पूरी स्कैनिंग कर लीजिए. Complete 2 scans of your face with the face mask folded in the same orientation. You will now see Face ID is now set up. So put your mask on, cover your whole face and test it out. Unlocking with a face mask on has been quite tiresome and frustrating for iPhone users जब से ये pandemic आया है. And this new feature certainly comes in as a relief. So what do you think? क्या आपने try किया ये वाला feature अभी तक? Please try कीजिए and do let us know what you think of this feature. Goodbye and thank you very much for watching.